I'm gonna take the ferry and eventually I want to go see that Jesus statue. There we go, nice and fresh. Right around the corner here, there is the world's oldest bookstore. All right, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Woo! People describe it as hauntingly beautiful. I guess you and I will find out together. Good morning, everybody. It's my last full day here in Portugal today. I'm in Lisbon. The whole plan of today was to literally come back to Lisbon so that I can get a nice sunny day and go see Sintra. But honestly, I don't really know if I'm feeling Sintra. I think I might just hang out around the city yet. I haven't really decided. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. The streams were absolutely insane though. I mean, I streamed yesterday and we streamed in Porto as well. If you missed the streams, please go back and watch them. I'll try and do a highlight video of them as well, but yeah, it was insane. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with the day. All right, I think I ended up deciding what I'm gonna do today. I think what we're gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take the ferry over to the other side of the bridge. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just explore that area. Probably get a scooter, ride around, and eventually I want to go see that Jesus statue. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm currently going up these hills. You know, if you know this city, you know you ain't no stranger to hills. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a snack, and you already know what we're gonna get. I'm going to my favorite spot to get it. I'll see you guys there. All right, I don't know how much footage I have of me eating these, but what's another clip to add to the collection? Here we go, nice and fresh, warm. This place definitely has the best ones. And they're making it fresh right in front of me. Insane. They got the cream right there. Oh, imagine a bath in that stuff. Okay, my bad, my bad. It should be by law. Wait, hold on, I gotta cross the street. If I was the president of Portugal, I would make it a law that every time you pass Mantegeria, you have to go in and get one of those. They're insane. Okay, apparently, right around the corner here, there is the world's oldest bookstore. Don't quote me on that. Let's just go see it since we're literally right here. But again, confirm that actually. Somebody check and write down in the comments if that's true. Hello. Wow, that was kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. I wonder how many books they sell solely on the fact that they're the world's oldest bookshop. Anyways, pretty cool to see. Now, what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna head straight to the port, and we're gonna try and catch a ferry over to the other side. And the city is absolutely booming right now. It's when the weather is nice, everybody's outside. But all right, I'll see you guys at the port. All right, after a pleasant little ferry ride, we actually ended up making it over to this side. I actually don't know if this is still part of Lisbon. It might be its own kind of like little subsection. I have no idea. But we're here now. I'm gonna try and make it to the Jesus Christ statue. And I'm just gonna try and go there without a GPS. That's usually what I do. I just kind of start following the signs in the road, and then, you know, eventually it gets you to where you need to be. This spot right here is pretty sick. It's like a little park behind me, and the sun decided to finally come out. So hopefully we make it there, and then we'll get the drone up there as well. All right, let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Woo! Hold on, let me get a little clip too while I'm here. Woo! Hold on. We can do better than that, I think. Oh yeah, that one's clean. That one's clean. Oh, come on. Dude, that would have been so clean. No. Hold on. Let me give it another go. That would have been so clean. Alright, sweaters off, backpacks off. Let's get this shit. Oh no. Oh, alright, that's it. I take whatever I got. Wow, we actually made it. And it's absolutely massive. It looks insane. Wait till you see it from up top. It's actually crazy. See, I wasn't too sure whether or not to come here. I was a little hesitant, but dare I say that this is a must-see. And of course, as usual, there's really no shortage of views like anywhere else in the city. But wow, this is amazing. I can only imagine what the one in Rio looks like, but who knows? Maybe this time next year we might see. Okay, we're done with that experience, and it was absolutely amazing. It was insane, beautiful, must-see, I would even add. Now, what we're gonna do is, I'm kind of feeling a beer. I'm a little thirsty, so I'm gonna hop on these. I'm gonna go back to the dock, the port area, go back to Lisbon, and then we'll sit down somewhere and have a beer. So I'll see you guys there. All right, welcome back everybody. We just finished watching the sunset. I was chilling on the other side for a while actually. I ended up meeting this really nice Brazilian girl. Her name was Larissa, and we ended up watching the sunset. Then we took the ride back and we went our separate ways. Now, I am currently in Alfama. Why? Because Alfama is the birthplace of Fado. What's Fado, you may ask? Fado is a original music genre that actually originated here in Lisbon, Portugal. Actually, Alfama, literally the neighborhood behind me. And people describe it as hauntingly beautiful. What does that mean? I have no idea. But we'll scope around the area, we'll find a nice little restaurant, sit down, and then I guess you and I will find out together. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the restaurant, hopefully. So, found a nice little spot here. It's a very intimate gathering. There's only a few people here, and the show's about to start in about 5 minutes. So, food came here. Gonna enjoy this now, and then get a little video whenever they start playing. I'm excited. Wow! Wow!
Tu ficaste admirado
sem saber o que dizia. Eu menti naquela hora e disse que não sabia Acho que eu pisei agora. Almas vencidas,
Noites perdidas
sombras pisadas,
da moraria,
cantam fias,
choram guitarras,
amor, ciúme.
cinzas e lume.
Guys, I'm activated, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very activated right now.
Lixo e lixo.
Okay, so we got a little bit of a break now. Wow, what an insane performance. I gotta admit, I might jump in on the next one, I'm not even kidding. Remember when I said earlier it was a must do? No, this is a must do. Insane. Brother, can I get one more beer?
É fado esta tristeza que me morre. É fado meu cantar, meu sofrer. É fado esta saudade que me dói. É fado meu manjar, meu sofrer. Que és tu grande amor da minha vida. Mas já cantava o fado quando disse que és tu grande amor da minha vida.
Thank you, thank you. All right, wow, what an experience that was. Honestly, I couldn't recommend that enough. That was an insane experience. But I have a flight tomorrow at 7 a.m. I have to be at the airport. It's currently 9:30 and I am kind of lit, to be honest. He's singing in there too. This whole street, like everywhere you walk by, like everyone's just basically singing. But okay, anyways, now before we leave and before we wrap things up, I do have to hit a mantegeria one more time. I gotta get a little dessert one more time. So what we'll do, we'll go there and then I will see you guys there. They close at 10. I don't know where the nearest one is, but trust me, I will find it. And I'll see you guys there. Wow, how am I start singing myself? Okay, my bad. Honestly, this trip was amazing. It was everything I could ask for and more. Like I said, first time ever solo traveling. We got so much done. There was way too many highlights. The streams, the videos, the cities, the people, everything was perfect. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, commenting, joining the live streams, everything. All your engagement honestly means the world to me and I appreciate y'all so much. I don't know what else to say. Just I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Portugal, it's been an amazing time. Hopefully I see you again sometime. Other than that though, thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like. Make sure to watch all the videos. And I don't have anything else to say. Have a good night, everybody.